Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you Create Pro Pack. This Create Pack for Premiere Pro is the largest elements pack in the entire market. There are more than 3,600 elements ready to use with just one click. As a bonus, you can create over 12,000 animated emoji. Save your money, all you need is only one product. First of all, I'm saying thanks my all subscriber. I hope everyone stay with me by subscribing to my channels. This file, you can download link in description, it's free. Earlier in the video we showed how to install Onmorg file in Premiere Pro, so if you haven't seen it, I'll show it again. Take a look. First open a new tab, your users, then App Data, Roaming, then Adobe, Common, then Motion Graphics Templates. Just copy this file and paste there. When you have finished pasting, open Adobe Premiere Pro now. This is a Instant Graphics tab, so I am searching this box. Make sure click this right button before you search. Now I am searching background. There have total 100 plus cool background. Now I am searching bursts. There have total 150 plus cool bursts. Now I am searching callouts. There have so many cool callouts. Now I am searching devices, like phone, laptop. There have so many cool devices. Now lines, there have so many cool lines. Now I'm searching lower thirds. There have so many lower thirds. Now I'm searching shape elements. There have so many cool shape elements. Now I'm searching social media. There have so many cool social media. Now I'm searching titles. There have so many cool titles. Now I'm searching transitions. There have so many transitions. Now I'm searching typography. You see there have so many typography. Now I am showing you how to use this. First I'm drag this element to my timeline, over this video. Now I'm changing this titles. Font style. Font color. Background color. Background opacity and customize scale, anything. It's not that difficult. If you open it, you can customize it, it's really very good. I'm finishing here like today, hope you understand. If you do not understand, please let us know in the comments, we will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it be sure to subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thanks.